Hi chat, welcome to yet another stream. We're back for day 15 of Advent of Code, as it is about to be the 15th of December, 2021. And Marsha's here. Hello, hello. How y'all doing today? I just woke up from a nap and I am super groggy, so hopefully this goes all right. We'll see what happens. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. JJMC was first. Arrow Bounce, good to see you again. D-Dels is gaming pre-stream. Ooh. Hope you die in Apex, D-Dos. Evil Gordita is also here, as well as Marsha and Walker Codes. Good to see you all. Fixture Jake's also here, and Hildan, welcome back. Always waking up in the middle of the night to code for AOC? Yeah. Well, I was like, I've got like an hour before stream. I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video. Well, actually I had 2 hours. I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video. Fell right asleep after I started watching the YouTube video. ASDeef, good to see you again. Okay, let me get everything set up and then we can dick around and talk to chat and do all those other things. So let me get the website open. Okay, that's ready. ASC 2021. Is today gonna be the maze puzzle? Maybe? Imagine? Day 15, touch, init.py, open up these, cursor right here. Game of life? Yeah, maybe, right? Maybe. Hey, what's up, Indie Monkey? Hello, hello. There was a 12-hour video of a slow train ride. No, it's actually Captain Sparkles playing Minecraft 1.18 in hardcore mode. Hilden says, just ordered an item from Amazon, a few countries over, and they were like, arriving on Monday. Good luck on that. Fix Jake says, it's gonna happen soon, only 10 more days for Game of Life. Yeah. Everyone says, I spent a small amount of time today optimizing my day 13. What was day 13? Oh, the, folding. Yield foldy folds, yes. Yes, more like mine for shell. Yeah. Yeah, hey, what's up, Grandpa's iPad? Hello, hello. Alright, part 2. Then part 1. Then download input. Okay, we are ready to go. I was playing a bunch of get the link. We can probably do one game before we start. I was playing a bunch of, oh wait, no, it's broken in Chrome. Right, doing Firefox though. I was playing a bunch of Minesweeper before stream as well. Oh god, why am I so much worse than I was earlier today? Because I'm on stream. That's what I'm blaming it on. But yeah, I was playing a bunch of this today, which was a lot of fun. This one's a lot harder because there's a lot more mines, but also it's more fair because it guarantees no 50-50s, which is why I like to play this version. But yeah, I really like Minesweeper, so I was playing some Minesweeper today. That one's not solved. Shit. A 7? My goodness. Hope you don't mind me playing Minesweeper, chat, because that's what we're doing until AOC starts. Well, that one's not solved either. One, two. Damn. Oh, these were solved up here all along. I will read chat as soon as I'm finished with this. I didn't think about this when I started it. I was like, oh yeah, I can just play Minesweeper on stream. Oh wait, but I pay attention to not chat while I do that. So, sorry. Fuck. There's one here. Okay, yeah, that solves that little bit in there. Oh, this is a fun pattern. The 1-2-1 pattern, one of my favorites. Imagine I'm so slow that the AOC starts while I'm doing this. That would be embarrassing. 3, 2. But I almost got my record today, but not quite. I was 2 seconds off. 1, 2, 3. Fuck! Ah! Damn it. AOC Minesweeper puzzle? Yo, that would be so pog. The real Minesweeper has to focus. No, I failed. Neely says, I made the mistake of putting Simon Tatham's puzzles on my phone. Oh, does he have an Android thing? Or a mobile app? Yeah, that would be dangerous for me as well. I used to have Minesweeper on my phone, but I got frustrated with it because it was a lot of 50-50s. And I was actually I was slightly faster on my phone than I am on desktop, probably because tapping is a lot easier. And the one that I had, you would use the volume rockers to control whether it was a mine or an uncover. And so it was a two-handed game. It was fun. Oh, Hilton says, I wonder how long we'll see the effects of log4j. Oh. I saw a funny meme about oh, I wonder if we'll reach herd immunity for log4j. There's a vaccine out, but people are anti-upgrading. I don't want an emote of the squished plushie. Wait, what? Which squished plushie? Wait, what? Pedro Mir says, how learn Python? Well, here's my recommendation. Explains getting started. 2048. Oh man, I have not heard of that game in a real long time. They're back to high school? Yeah. I never got into 2048. It just, I don't know, for whatever reason it didn't seem as fun to me. Like once you figure out the algorithm, it's just like, well, apply the algorithm, and if you get unlucky, then you lose. Because yeah, that's where's the fun in that? Oh, but yeah, a Minesweeper puzzle would be so cool for AOC. That would be so cool. I don't know if Eric would do it though. I feel like people that have never played Minesweeper would be like, fuck this, and not do it. I don't know. Also, how would it... I don't know how it would work. It would have to be... It would probably have to be one of those, It'd probably have to be like a code puzzle and like an int code sort of thing. And then you would play Minesweeper. Because I don't know how else, I don't know how else Eric would hide Minesweeper in the input. But you just keep going down and right until you can't, then do a left, then repeat. Yeah, works for any corner. Yeah. People said fuck this about the Chinese remainder theorem. That's true. Yeah, I actually did that one. Well, I actually saw that one without needing the CRT, but I guess I kind of implemented CRT, but using loops. Because that was how I did that one in SQLite, and I can't just, import CRT into SQLite. That was 2020. 2020? And it was the... What day was it? Like day 13? I already gave you an answer, Pedro. What day was it? Oh, yeah. It was day 13. But yeah, here is CRT and SQLite, I guess. Okay. 7 minutes left. Also, you just said loops without saying brother. Oops, brother. Indeed, indeed. Group says, your GitHub contributions look like a golf course. I guess that's probably kind of true. Also, I don't show the private ones, so there's slightly more than it shows on the graph, but yeah, they're pretty green. There's a few days that are missing in here. As things go. But yeah, I do a lot of open source, so it shows up. Also, you can see auto update day as a nice stripe along the graph. Been a few days recently, or a few weeks recently, where we haven't had many auto updates. But that's probably because most Python tooling just hasn't updated. How to unlearn COBOL? Yeah. That day was the closest I've ever been to the leaderboard. Still zero clue how I managed that. Wow, that's cool. Oh, your privates? Oh, yeah, private contributions. Well, and here you go. You can see the private contributions here. You know where to code Python for free. You can literally code Python anywhere. Python is free. You can do it on basically any computing device. His Jupyter Notebook is that good. Well, I'm not a fan of Jupyter Notebook, but if it works for you, go ahead. Pedro, my dude. I've already answered you twice. Why do you keep saying this? The non-green ones are just sand traps? Yeah, very small sand traps. No, God, Chris. God damn it, guys. But how? But how learn Python? Fuck. How do? Oh, I made a dumb meme before stream also. In case y'all wanted a JNDI meme. Just get good, says Malden. Yeah, exactly. Step 1, look up snacks. Pull the trigger, how Python learn. Yes, exactly. Welcome to the stream. Eric's here. How you doing, Eric? We were just wondering how learn Python. How do? But yes, I made a dumb meme before stream. But yeah, down to 4 minutes left. Large popping, hello. I saw you ask a question right as I ended the stream yesterday. You said, why do I only have 2 channels subscribed on YouTube? And that is because I have multiple Google accounts, and this one is just my stream account. So I don't actually use this other than to post videos. But my other account has a lot more subscriptions. How do you view it without the sidebar? Here are my actual YouTube subs. So you can see all of the channels that I subscribe to. Not actually that many, but a decent number. But yeah, there's my actual YouTube channels. Etho, indeed, I really like Etho. I like Etho's content. How learn Python? Go zoo, see Sneck. Tame Sneck. Become one with Sneck. Master the Sneck. Alright, game of life problem today? Maze problem today? Number modular arithmetic problem today? Page thank you for the follow. Welcome. You know, visit Snack. My brain hurts writing with that. Hope no chords today. I'm actually a fan of chords. I feel like chords is fine. Yeah. Is it possible to do all problems with pandas? Yes, but why? You don't need to use pandas, but you could. You never need to use pandas. Is the real answer to that question. Not ready for the inevitable math problem? Yeah, there's always one. Always one. Mr. Singh, hello, hello. Good luck, have fun. Still no XYZ? Yeah. We could go to the 4th dimension. Which, I was actually fine with the multi-dimensional, advent of code problem. The, 4-dimension game of life. I don't know, Python only pandas? But, but pandas is Python. I understand what you mean, though. There are a lot of people that the only thing they know how to do is use pandas, and they don't know how to actually... Well, I was about to say something not nice. Toggle standing desk. Okay. Aneurysm, how you doing? 1 minute to go. And, I guess we're solving this one standing. Which I feel like I'm worse solving standing, so... This is your fault, Aneurysm. Okay, 30 seconds. Let's fill my water. Okay, we're good. Gotta keep you on your toes. Yeah, hey, what's up, Plinge? Hello, hello. Muted, good luck, have fun. I'll see you on the other side. We're ready. And start, and 3, 2, 1, refresh. Okay, we got that. Whoop, that's not what I want to do. 40. And then read the problem. Another risk level problem. Determine the total risk of an entire path. Add up the risk levels at each position. Okay. Also find the path of the lowest total risk. Got it. Okay. Oh boyo. So we can only, well, we can move any direction. So this is a depth first with pruning. For Y line in S dot split lines, for XC in line. Let's numerate. Okay, so do equals 0, 0. On the current cost. Okay, path. This needs to be a couple. Path and cost equals to do dot pop. Why does recurse back on ourselves? That's fine. We'll eventually get to a path at the end. Oh, we can't recurse back on ourselves. So, yeah. Yield x plus 1 y, yield x minus 1 y, yield x y plus 1. If cost is great, if best is not none and cost is greater than best, then continue, greater than or equal to best. Elif well, we know the biggest size here. We need just max. If path -1 is equal to last x last y, cost equals cost. If can's in chords and can's not in path, then how do we update the cost? We update the cost here? Yeah. To do dot append path and cost plus chords candidate. Return best. That should be our depth first with pruning. But we have a parenthesis. Oh, it's slow. 41. We probably don't count the original point. Oh, it's kind of slow. It's very slow. Why is it very slow? You probably want to prefer moving right and down. So maybe if we do this, be faster. Problem is it's not pathing to, but we can probably just find any solution first. That might be a good idea. For x in range, 1 to last x, a little bit faster. Maybe not fast enough to get it though. Why is this not fast enough? What part of this is slow? This is slow. What if we make path a frozen set instead? Oh shit, we don't know the last coordinate though. Keep that separately. Path and canned. Can cost plus chords canned. My pruning is not good enough. Frozen set is not subscriptable. It's faster still, but still slow. Oh no. Well, that sucks. How big is our input? Do we actually have to A-star this? Oh, it's massive. That's perhaps why. If PyPy is fast enough. This should be, in theory, fast enough. But how do we improve on this? Oh, we're actually preferring the wrong direction here. We should move these ones down. That might make it go faster. I want the last one, not the first one. Oh, if we record the best at each position, that will prune faster. Okay, so let's do that. Best at equals this. And then we don't actually need best. We just best at xy equals best. If cost is greater than best, if last chord in best at and cost is greater than best at word, last chord, then continue. Otherwise, best at last chord is equal to cost. And then return best at that should prune at each part. I'm not sure why it's -1. That prunes at each position. Oh, but now we're not pruning at the end. Maybe we need both of those. If cost is greater than best, then continue. If last chord equals last x, last y, then best equals cost. Why is this not fast enough? Ah! I think this is memory. No, it's CPU. Oh, I've made these algorithms before. Why is this not working? Oh shit. Well, we got an answer after 60 seconds, and it's not the right one. Uh, that makes it even worse. But that means PyPy should do this faster. Is it true that if we get to a path and have a higher cost that it's not the best path? Hmm. PyPy is slightly faster. We get the wrong answer though. What happens if we just put in this here and see if we path any better? Oh wait, we gotta put it not there, but here. Subtract out the starting cost, which may or may not be 1. Oh. Oh, it's 7 in my input. Fuck. Fuck! Damn it. Okay, yeah, good call. Oh, actually, we just do this. Untype an int. Yeah, we've optimized this a lot. Because that was originally a second, but it's still so slow. Dark Angs, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully this goes well, and we're on to part 2. But it takes a while, so I am just stalling for time. I'm kind of surprised that this is so slow, but we do have a fairly large input, and this is not the best optimizations. Like, it does cull some of these, but I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Also, a more direct pathing algorithm would probably be better. Mine is just blind wandering. Nick Bab, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, on to part 2. Okay, what does part 2 ask us to do? Now you know how to find low risk, you can try to find your way out. The entire cave is actually 5 times larger in both dimensions than you thought. The area you originally scanned is just one tile in a 5x5 tile that forms the full map. The original map repeats to the right and downward. Each time the tile repeats to the right and downward, all of its risk levels are 1 higher than the tile immediately up or to the left of it. However, it wraps around. God damn it. So we can just route this. It's gonna take a really fucking long time to route that whole thing. So there's actually no reason to ever go up, is there? I wonder if I just cut out moving moving not up, if that answers this properly. That would reduce things in half. Let me just try that on this. It might not be right. I think it could go up, but I wonder if it doesn't actually need to go up. Okay, but we need to make big graph. Okay, it clearly needs to go up because that number is slightly different. Well, I mean, it's gonna be what? A 5x5 of this is gonna be about 20 times slower, so it's gonna take 20. It's gonna take 160 seconds to run. That's not terrible. I guess I can start that while I think about something better. So we need to also plot this 5x. So we need to know the width and the height. Width equals len s dot split lines 0. Height equals len s dot split lines. So we need to plot. Wait, how do these work? The diagonals. Or words yi times height plus y xi times width x is equal to int c plus xi plus yi mod 10. That'll plot all the points. And boy, is it slow. And we get the wrong answer? What? We don't want you. What? 0, 0 should be... Yeah, that should work. $263. Wait, why did we get a different number? Am I doing this wrong? This is over 1. This is plus 2 mod 10? Oh, wait. 2 mod 10 is 1. 9 wraps around to 1. uh... Uh... No! Why are you off by 1? What? What? Eight plus 1 plus 2 is 10. 10 is greater than 9, so it becomes 1. That looks right. It's still wrong? What? Use yx in the new one and xy in the old? Motherfuck. True? But I don't see how that makes a difference. Oh, it does. Okay, so we went from 4 milliseconds to 4 seconds. So this is gonna take 15 minutes. No! uh... Hmm. That's painful. Huh. How do I make it less likely to... Like, I kind of wanted to try the diagonal. I think the diagonal is actually going to eliminate more. Because right now what it's doing is it is going straight down and then backtracking all of these. Which is not great. I kind of want it to not do that. 120 global, nice, Desu. That's pretty awesome. This will run a little bit faster. Yeah, I need a better... I think I just need a better starting algorithm. Or a starting prune. Maybe if I initialize these paths better, that could work. Should have implemented Dijkstra's faster. I'm not about to implement Dijkstra's. We're just gonna make approximations until it's fast enough. Okay, so I think if I initialize these better, then we probably get there sooner if I just do a diagonal. Is it 100 by 100? Okay, that's actually kind of nice. So if I just wiggle downwards, that probably works. Oh. Yeah. Insert what? Best equals 0. What are we doing here? We are going to increment y. Y plus equals 1, best plus equals chords xy. Best at xy equals best. X plus equals 1, best plus equals chords xy, just add xy equals best. So this will give us the diagonal. Then we also want to insert each of these paths into our to-do here. So to-do equals 0, 0. To do dot append. What? To do -1, 0 with xy. And xy and best. That'll give us a seed of our things to go off of. I think that'll do better. I'm gonna kill this, let the PyPy one run. Why am I off by 1? Remember to not count 0, 0? Yeah, I'm not. We initialize that to 0. Lucas Taishiro, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. PyPy's still chugging away. What did I do wrong here? I feel like this is not different than what I had before. Unless I've somehow... I've somehow mixed up X and Y again. Snow, thank you for the host. Welcome, welcome. That's weird. Uh... 'If I get to a position and it costs more to get there, is it possible that we would want to revisit that in a different way? Up by 1, just subtract 1? I don't think that's it. But I also don't know what is it. This is still running. 7 minutes, so it's probably close to completing. I do want this to go faster though, so we will not stop when that is done. This is wild. Just throw a plus or minus in there. Yeah. Wild that computing the diagonal would change the output algorithm. I'm just hoping PyPy finishes at this point. It's actually going to be more work than that, so it's probably going to take hours for that one to complete. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't really make much sense to me why this is off by 1. And it is supposed to be 315, right? So we compute some diagonalization here. A diagonal. Hmm. We compute this bit here. How do we possibly not try this path later? Hmm. But for how much I want to sort this problem for being on Wednesday? I feel like it isn't bad. I feel like just my algorithm sucks. I don't really want to make a better pathing algorithm, but I clearly have to. Because this is just never gonna terminate. And this is wrong for some reason. I also don't expect this to be much faster. Need to rewrite my algorithm twice. Sparky says one hint. I mean, is the hint implement Dijkstra's? Because I don't really want to do that. What I could probably do is run this. I don't need the path. Oh, that's true, because you would backtrack on yourself. So that'll make it faster, I guess. Yeah, let's kill the path and see what happens. Why not? Oops. Yeah, because we prune at positions, so backtracking on ourselves doesn't matter. No, that's gonna make this fast enough, though. Medallion Stallion, thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. It's still off by 1. Why? Uh, that's not much faster. Bottom right is a 1. Are you forgetting to add the cost of the last node? Maybe. Your stream is amazing. You're so fast in Vim. I'm not using I'm not using Vim. I don't think this is significantly faster. The bottom is right is 1. Are you forgetting to add the cost of the last node? I don't think I was. This was getting to the end and adding that coordinate. Is this Babby? Yeah. No, you're fine. You're fine. Actually, I think this is slower than it was before. There was one where it actually completed. Yeah, well, this took 3.8 seconds to fail. 4.66 versus... Oh, it's slightly faster. I don't think it's going to be fast enough. You could be using them, it's true. Yeah, the diagonal should be a better rune. Maybe we do this, but don't append in here. Maybe that'll be better. Get rid of these. That's seeding this wrong. How? How is that possibly the case? How do you pronounce Sottile? I say Sottile, but it would be Sottile in the true Italian, but I'm fake Italian. So I don't understand how this is one greater than the actual value. We should always have start with 0. Fine. Sottile, yeah. Yeah. It rhymes with so silly, indeed. Okay, so something about this approximation is wrong somehow. What if we just do these in the other order? I feel like this approximation isn't necessarily helpful, but I don't know why doing them in the other order makes a difference. but I also feel like it doesn't actually make our thing faster. What if we put these back in? Oh, we kind of want to keep the paths to the end at each. Because if we draw a diagonal and we find better ways to get to some part of the diagonal, then we don't have to keep recomputing the end of it. So that would make it just connecting two dots be much faster. I've done this before. But how did I do it before? Yeah, and 3 seconds is not going to be fast enough here. How long has this one been running for? 19 minutes. We're going to kill it and restart it, wasting 19 minutes of computation. Okay, I guess we need to implement best cost to the end of the line, or to the end of the path. From a coordinate. Even right? Yeah, it's interesting that part 1 is not the answer here. The answer here is something else, so we can't just reuse that. Why didn't you go with Dijkstra's right away? 1, because I don't remember Dijkstra's, and 2, because I don't feel like implementing it. I think this is the only case that I have not done yet. I think that's all that's missing for mine. Is that enough to make it faster? Is setting visited? That would cause it to not retry. Where would I do that part? I don't even know that's the right thing. I don't think I can actually do that with this. I now tried multiple ways to make my code faster than 1 minute. I think everything I've done so far has made the code slower. Nice. Are you always taking the minimum distance from your to-do list? Because if not, setting visited to true does not guarantee you already found the min path. Yeah, that makes sense. Taking the minimum from the to-do list is an interesting idea. Yeah, heap queue would be a way to do that. I never remember how to use it though. My code seems to be suggesting that sorting a list and popping the 0th element is faster than sorting a list with reverse equals true and popping the last element. Wait, what? Wait, what? That's crazy. So we want heap push and heap pop. Is it just sort? Yeah. How do we know if there are still things in it? Any. Perfect. Nice. Oh, an empty. It'll be empty. Throw heap queue at it. Want to prioritize by the cheapest cost? Probably. Heap push, heap pop. Let's put cost in the front. Heap queue dot heap push. To do SXY. Slightly faster. I don't think it's fast enough to do the whole thing though. Is he gonna do this in SQL? There's no not happening, Crow. But Crow, check out the MOTD. I think you'll approve of it. I think you want to get rid of the first loop because it's exploring a non-priority order. Yeah, I agree. Oh. Well, now it's way faster. Oh. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's way faster now because I was poisoning the lookup with my stupid guess. Okay, that's fun. Who did it? Evil Gordita did it. Yeah, there we go. And actually, if I take actually we can get rid of this too. Oh, we don't need to resubmit. No, don't resubmit. Wait, why was it slow this time? Oh, it wasn't. Yeah, we just don't need to resubmit. Which means we can things around a little bit. Yeah, that's not bad. You've now implemented Dijkstra's without meaning to? Well then. Feel like it's time for a game of life problem next? Yeah. Oh, did I fall off the leaderboard today? That's what I really care about. Probably. Oh, we're still holding on. Okay. Take it. Did not do well today. That's fine. We still finished in under an hour though. Similar showing to yesterday. Cool. Alright, let's I think we can just copy this for part 1. And then part 1 is efficient as well. Assuming I implement the right module, import the right modules. Yeah, there we go. Snow cones, look at you! Well, I didn't move up, I moved down today, so Hey, what's up, Ice Cold Witch? How you doing? Why do you keep iterating after finding the lower right corner? Oh. Yeah, this should just be continue. Or even break. It doesn't matter. Code still works. Oh, because I use it to set this here? Guess if we do these in the other order. Do that for part 2 as well. Might as well. Yeah. Still takes a few seconds. Not so bad. But you're still there. It's true. It's true. Garment Sapad says, I'm behind the times. Are you submitting the answer via the command line instead of needing input to the site? Yes, that is what that's what this AOC submit -- part 2 thing does. I also have an AOC 25 part 2 script as well, which is what I thought I needed to do 2017 for, but it turns out you can just resubmit older years. So you can get rid of best and best at and just keep a visited set. It is guaranteed the first time you visit a node, it is its best. Makes sense. I'm just gonna leave it. It works. Extras is DP, I guess. Kind of. Yeah. Not really. No, it's not really DP because you're keeping track of you're just keep like if you do it just by visited sets, that's not really computing previous values. I like how Mr. Singh bonked Marsha before Marsha could do DP Mont Blush. That's pretty good. Okay, let us put this into Git. This is our fast one. A 15. Getting hard. What is MyPy gonna say about this? I don't think I've ever used HeapQ with MyPy. Really not mad about that. It is just mad about this. Generator. You know, I should really I should really put this in a function somewhere. Or in a module, because I keep rewriting it. Got add. What am I doing? Hello? There we go. EP, just the iterative equivalent. How do you have it display the time? I have a little piece of code which is actually buggy, as someone pointed out today, that just does this. It should really use monotonic. I'm going to do that in another commit. Thank you for the reminder, though. That is helpful. If it fails, you don't have the arrow stuff. Oh yeah, MyPy complains at me if I have not implemented the type annotations. What do you mean missing a type annotation? What are you smoking, MyPy? Day 15, part 1, line 14. Oh, I edited part 2. That would do it. Generator tuple int none. Yeah, I enforce 100% type coverage using MyPy. 30 need annotation for best at. Really? Because I didn't need it. I guess I do. Like tuple int. Alias senpai equals mypy. I have a clip. About that. I think. It's gonna start talking. Stop. Stay muted. All time. That's it. I thought it was higher than this. I guess not. You're a liar! That's such a fucking funny clip. Oh, it's on the page somewhere. Where is it? Oh, here's at least one of them. Notice me! Alright, anyway. I'm gonna run this 5 times. The lighting used to be so doggers. Yeah, we've come a long way on improving the stream setup. It used to be real jank. I don't know if there's any clips from the like. Well, there are some from the real old times. This is a really old clip. Actually, this isn't that old. I just don't have the keyboard cam here. This is weird because this is Babby like barely working. I swore I had the keyboard cam before I started working on my text editor. Because there's like this there's this like Vim is just wrong clip, which, oh, I guess I was working on Babby during that. Yeah, it's wild. Where's the Vim clip? Like Anthony's, oh, it's way up here. This is like real old school. Oh, but this was after I had the microphone hanging. I don't know. Oh, I have all my streams. I guess I can just, well, I don't have all of them. I started keeping them beginning of 2019. This is the oldest stream that I have. Apparently I only recorded at 720p back then also. But this is my oldest stream. I also like how I just went live and like didn't fucking say anything. This is like Look how small my camera was back then. Probably still the same music though. But like, I just went live and like, this is me streaming to 0 viewers. Actually, it's probably like 5 or 10 then, but when did I get the keyboard cam? Do I have it here? No, I don't have it here. What was I working on? Like 8. Zephic Labyrinth, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It's not 2019 anymore, right? Oh wow, I was working on import the metadata. Yeah, what am I getting banned for? Oh, I was working on my text editor though. Yeah, yeah, interesting. Anyway, I don't know how I got onto this topic, but I'm not running this 5 times. We're gonna be okay with just one. Day 15. Cool. Part 2. 0 viewers, 10 viewers. What's the difference? Yeah. DP observation is given a minimal risk path from P to Q for each node along R. Subpath PQ to R is a minimal path from P to R. Okay, cool. What is VS Code NSFW? I don't. Risky Google search right there. Node Sentinel File Watcher. Either they were like, either this is a 5-head move or it's a 2-head move. Like I don't quite know whether they're self-aware or not. Yeah, I don't know. 0 head? Yeah. How'd you parse the data to use it for text trace? Maybe the project started April 1st. Yeah, there you go. 8HS8, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, that's VS Code NSFW. I've probably fallen even further on the private leaderboard too. Oh no, I'm still above arrow bounds. But T-Bud T and Alexander pulled further ahead. Arrow bounds, you're catching up. Sparky B, you're catching up too. I've only got a handful of points on both of you. Search for more NSFW things on stream. Marsha, the internet is waiting. You can search whatever you want on your computer. I am not gonna get banned for showing porn on stream. That is not gonna happen. Although there have been a few times where YouTube thumbnails have shown some Eric with the bonk. there have been a few times where we were watching YouTube videos and the thumbnails were not safe for work, so it has happened at least once. I didn't get banned though, so gonna take that as a dub. Okay. Oh, we need that same type annotation for part 2. Dict tuple int, yes. Good old Sneak. Yes. All right. Leaderboards are full by a lot, so I can push this and not feel bad. Cool. All right, that is going to wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week. This is my most popular video ever, so maybe check that one out. I don't know. I also upload Advent of Code solutions, so check those out as well. And if you missed any part of the stream and want to catch up, I have a VODs channel, so you can check out the VODs channel there. Hennef Ridson, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I announce my streams. I'm streaming every day for Advent of Code, of course. So I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is my Twitter, where I say I'm going to stream, and then we stream. The other is the Discord, Come join that. Log4Shell explained, what if our logging platform had the ability to make LDAP queries that we would run the result of as code? Yes, precisely. Precisely. Yeah, so come join the Discord, come hang out with us. It's a cool place to hang out. But yeah, let's go find someone to raid.